Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest beauty products. Today, we're diving into the world of makeup sponges. And I'm excited to introduce you to what I believe is the best concealer sponge on the market, the e.l.f. Total Sponge Set. This set is a game-changer for anyone looking to achieve flawless makeup application. Not only does it promise impeccable blending, but it also offers versatility and value like no other. Let's delve into what makes this sponge set stand out from the rest. First off, let's talk about the design. The e.l.f. Total Sponge Set features 3 uniquely shaped sponges, each tailored to specific makeup application needs. From the Total Face Sponge for seamless foundation application to the Camo Concealer Sponge for precise concealing, and the Contour Pyramid Sponge for expert contouring and baking, this set has you covered for all your makeup blending needs. What sets these sponges apart is not only their shape but also their performance. Made from latex-free foam, these sponges are soft yet durable, ensuring a smooth and streak-free application every time. Plus, they can be used wet or dry, making them incredibly versatile for both powder and liquid formulas. But the benefits don't stop there. What I love most about the e.l.f. Total Sponge Set is its commitment to quality and ethics. All e.l.f. products are made from skin-loving ingredients, free from harmful toxins, and are 100% cruelty-free and vegan. So not only are you getting a flawless makeup application, but you can also feel good about the products you're using on your skin. Don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the performance and value of this sponge set, with many praising its softness, versatility, and ease of use. Whether you're a makeup novice or a seasoned pro, the e.l.f. Total Sponge Set is sure to elevate your beauty routine. So there you have it, folks. If you're in the market for the best concealer sponge that delivers on performance, quality, and ethics, look no further than the e.l.f. Total Sponge Set. Trust me, your makeup game will never be the same. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, stay beautiful.